Hello everyone. Today we will learn about chapter 10 of class 10th, that is light reflection and refraction. So in this chapter, in the introduction of this chapter, few lines given about the light. Okay, that because of light we are able to see the objects, a variety of objects in the world around us. Like we are able to see green forest, blue sky, and the different colors of rainbow. So this is possible due to the light. So light is the kind of energy which enables us to see all the objects. So what happens, how we can see the different objects? So whenever light falls on an object, the that object reflects the light. That means it is bouncing back the light, and when this bouncing back of light happens, it received by our eyes, and then we enables to see the different objects. So we know about the transparent, opaque, and the translucent objects. Okay, you may have learned this thing in the previous classes, that what are the transparent medium. So what happens with the transparent medium? It is it is transmitting the light. So with this transmission of light, few wonderful phenomena occur. Okay, because of this transmission through the transparent objects, transparent mediums, some bending of light, some beautiful formation color of rainbow, okay, twinkling of stars, and formation of image due to the mirrors, okay, in the mirrors. So these possible because of the different properties of light. So we will learn in this chapter about this. And you must remember this thing, that always light travels in a straight line, and because of this property, these type of optical phenomena occur. Okay, always optical word is used for light. So optical phenomena means the phenomena related to the light. Should be the different kinds of processes which occur due to the reflection of light. It is the called the optical phenomena. So in this chapter we shall study the phenomena of reflection and refraction of light using the straight line propagation of light. So because of the straight line propagation of light, that means light travels in a straight line, these phenomena occur. First of all, you have to learn about the reflection of light. So what is the reflection of light? It is the bouncing back of light. Means always light travels in a straight line, and but it bounces back by the different objects, then it is reflected. So the you can write the definition of the reflection of light, that is the phenomena of bouncing back of light in the same medium after striking on a surface is called reflection, as the reflection of light. To explain this, we can explain this with a diagram also. That is, if one surface has the silver coating, and one light is fall on it, okay, this is the silver coating, and one ray is incident ray, that is the coming from the source of light. So one incident ray is coming from the source of light, and it strikes on the surface, that is a silver coating. So 100%, or you can say most of the light is reflected by this silver coating, because it is a shiny coating. So a reflection of light occurs mostly, and one ray is given here. So to show this, one ray, incident ray, is coming from the source of light, and it is reflected by the silver coating. So after reflection, it is called the reflected ray. Okay, so whenever when the light strikes on surface and it bounces back to the same medium, then it is called reflected ray. Now you can see two angles form between one normal is drawn between the incident ray and the reflected ray, and two angles form in it, that is I and R. Always this angles of incidence and angles of reflection is equal. So based on this phenomena, we can write the law of reflection. Okay, there are two laws of reflection you have to learn. That is, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection, and the incident ray and the normal to the mirror at the point of incident of the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. In the picture you can see that incident ray I and the incident reflected ray, that is the angle of reflection, both are equal.